I'm today in front of me Realme C25s, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and scroll down to the additional settings, and if on your device the developer options are activated, here you'll see the developer options section. Just tap there, and to just hide the developer options, click here once on this switcher, and as can you see all of the options they are blocked, and when we'll go back you can see that the developer options section is gone. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.